In this video we are going to review BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker. This one of the most popular and best protein shaker you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. So, let's talk about BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker. The BlenderBottle Classic revolutionized the industry over a decade ago with its tight seal, iconic design, and the blender ball wire whisk. Now, with upgraded features and design, it's still one of the best shakers on the market. The BlenderBottle V2 Classic bottle makes sure you've always got a straw on hand. This one has a comfort tip and can be used to stir your drink, and you can store it inside the bottle when not in use. The V2 also has a leak-proof seal and an innovative spout guard to keep germs at bay, plus a stainless steel whisk ball that can tackle any ingredient. And since it's got a wide mouthpiece, you can add powder, fruit, liquids, and supplements directly into the bottle. The blender ball wire whisk found only in BlenderBottle brand shaker cups is the secret behind the classic shaker's power. Add your ingredients, drop in a blender ball whisk, and shake. The blender ball whisk whips around inside the bottle, mixing your drinks to a smooth consistency, every time. The innovative leak-proof lid is engineered to leave worry behind. Just push down on the flip cap until it makes a distinctive snap, then shake or stash the bottle with complete confidence that it is securely closed. When opening the cap, the spout guard protects the drinking surface from grimy gym fingers. An extra wide carry loop makes it easy to take shakes to go. For details, let's watch more.